What if I told you that 10,000 rupees could become 1 lakh rupees with the right stocks? Now, I'm not guaranteeing anything, but with the right strategy and a little bit of luck, it's definitely possible. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the NSE to uncover 5 stocks with the potential to skyrocket your portfolio. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to take notes, because this is information you won't want to miss. First up is Dishman Carbogen Amcis Limited, or DCAL for short. DCL is a major player in the pharmaceutical industry, and they've been absolutely crushing it lately. Just take a look at their stock price, a whopping 9.35% surge recently, and it's currently trading at 188 rupees and 12 paise. But what's driving this growth? Well, DCAL is strategically positioned in a sector that's only becoming more important: healthcare. As the global population ages and the demand for healthcare solutions continues to rise, companies like DCL are in a prime position to capitalize. DCAL has a proven track record of delivering consistent earnings and boasts a robust pipeline of new products ready to hit the market. And if you're into the technicals, the stock chart is painting a very bullish picture. We're seeing a clear breakout pattern on the point and figure chart, which is a strong signal of potential upward momentum. Now, I'm not saying you should go all in on DCAL right this second. Remember, every investment comes with risks. Thoroughly research DCAL yourself, understand its financials, and make sure it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Let's move on to our next potential multi-bagger, Ratan India Enterprises Limited, or Ratan India. It's currently trading at 81 rupees and 84 paise, with a modest gain of 2.4%. Ratan India isn't just any company. They're strategically positioned in 2 of the most explosive sectors right now: electric vehicles and renewable energy. The demand for cleaner, more sustainable energy solutions is only going to increase in the coming years, and Ratan India is right at the forefront of this revolution. Ratan India isn't just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. They're making serious investments in building out their infrastructure and expanding their operations, and this long-term vision is reflected in their financials. While the current stock price might seem modest, the fundamentals are rock solid. This is a classic case where the long-term growth potential far outweighs the short-term fluctuations. So if you're looking for a stock that could potentially turn your 10,000 rupees into 1 lakh rupees, Ratan India deserves a spot on your watch list. Chapter 3. Network 18. Media and Investments Limited, Network 18. Finding value in the dip. Now let's talk about a stock that's experienced a bit of a dip recently. Network 18. Media and Investments Limited, or Network 18. It's currently trading at 98 rupees and 65 paise, down 0.25%. Well, here's the thing about dips. They often present incredible buying opportunities, especially when it comes to fundamentally strong companies. Network 18 might be down right now, but don't let that fool you. This is a powerhouse in the Indian media landscape. We're talking about a company with a vast reach, encompassing television, digital platforms, and even e-commerce. They've got their fingers in all the right pies, and their diverse portfolio is a testament to their adaptability and resilience. The media industry is undergoing a period of transition. Network 18 isn't just sitting back and letting the digital wave wash over them. They're evolving, adapting, and leveraging their existing infrastructure to capitalize on these new opportunities. They're investing heavily in their digital presence, and they're well positioned to emerge from this transition as a leader in the digital media space. Chapter 4. Shipping Corporation of India Limited, SCI. Smooth sailing with a steady hand. Our next stock takes us on a journey across the high seas with Shipping Corporation of India Limited, or SCI. Trading at 272 rupees and 40 paise with a 0.68% gain, SCI might not seem like the flashiest stock on our list. But remember, slow and steady often wins the race, and SCI is a masterclass in stability. The global shipping industry is in the midst of a major rebound. After being hit hard by the pandemic, things are finally starting to look up, and SCI is perfectly positioned to ride this wave of recovery. They're India's largest shipping company, with a fleet of vessels that crisscross the globe, transporting everything from crude oil to containerized cargo. And as global trade picks up, demand for their services is only going to increase. SCI isn't just a one-trick pony. They've been strategically diversifying their operations, expanding into new markets and exploring innovative solutions like green shipping to stay ahead of the curve. This forward-thinking approach has made them a favorite among investors seeking a reliable, long-term investment. Chapter 5. BCL Industries Limited, Beekland, the hidden gem of the edible oils market. Last but not least, we have BCL Industries Limited, or BC Lind, a stock that's flown under the radar for far too long. It's currently trading at 58 rupees and 12 paise with a dip of 3.07%, which might not inspire a lot of confidence at first glance. But here's the thing about hidden gems. They often reveal their true value when you dig a little deeper. Beekland operates in a sector that's often overlooked, but is absolutely essential: edible oils. Think about it. Edible oils are in everything. From the food we eat to the products we use every day, the demand for edible oils is constant and ever-growing. BCL Lind is one of the leading players in this space, with a strong presence in the northern and central regions of India. They've got a solid track record of delivering quality products at competitive prices, and they've been steadily expanding their market share. The recent dip in their stock price can be attributed to a few factors, including fluctuations in raw material costs and increased competition in the market. But these are short-term challenges that BC Lind is well equipped to handle. Outro. Unlock your investing potential. So, there you have it. 5 stocks with the potential to turn your 10,000 rupees into 1 lakh rupees. Remember, this isn't financial advice. It's just me sharing some potential investment opportunities that I've personally researched and find promising. The key to success in the stock market is to do your own due diligence, diversify your portfolio, and stay patient. Don't get caught up in the hype or make impulsive decisions based on emotions. Invest in companies you believe in, companies with strong fundamentals and a clear vision for the future. And for those of you who stuck around till the very end, I promised you a surprise, didn't I? Well, here it is. I'm giving away 5 financial calculators worth 21,000 rupees to 5 lucky subscribers. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to stay notified, and send a screenshot of your subscription to this WhatsApp number, 9113211787. And don't forget, our How to Automate Trades course, typically priced at 7,000 rupees, is available now for just 99 rupees. The link is in the description below. Grab it while the offer lasts, and let's make those investments work for you.